In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and negativity can build up in our minds, making us feel drained, overwhelmed, and emotionally stuck. Just like we detox our bodies, it's equally important to detox our minds and remove negative energy. A cluttered mind can affect our mood, relationships, and even our physical health. But the good news is, there are simple yet powerful ways to reset your mind and invite positivity into your life. In this video, we'll share 5 effective ways to detox your mind and remove negative energy for a stress-free, peaceful life. The first step to a mental detox is practicing mindfulness and deep breathing. Negative energy often comes from overthinking the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness helps bring your focus to the present moment, reducing stress and clearing mental clutter. Take a few minutes each morning to sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. This simple breathing exercise calms the nervous system, reduces stress hormones, and helps clear your mind of negative thoughts. Next, declutter your physical and digital space. Your surroundings have a direct impact on your mental state. A messy environment can make your mind feel chaotic, while an organized space promotes clarity and peace. Start by cleaning up your home or workspace. Get rid of unnecessary items, organize your desk, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Also, declutter your digital space by unfollowing negative social media accounts, deleting unnecessary emails, and setting boundaries on screen time. Reducing digital noise can instantly make you feel lighter and more focused. One of the most powerful ways to remove negative energy is practicing gratitude and positive affirmations. Our minds tend to focus on problems, but shifting our focus to gratitude can instantly change our perspective. Every morning or before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Along with gratitude, use positive affirmations to rewire your thoughts. Repeat affirmations like, I am calm and in control, I attract positive energy, or I release all negativity. Over time, these positive thoughts will replace negative self-talk and bring more peace into your life. Another essential step is disconnecting from toxic influences and negative people. Energy is contagious, and surrounding yourself with negative people can drain you mentally and emotionally. Pay attention to how you feel after interacting with certain people. Do they uplift you or leave you feeling exhausted? Set boundaries with those who constantly bring negativity into your life. Instead, spend more time with positive, supportive people who inspire you. If certain relationships can't be avoided, limit your exposure and protect your energy by staying mindful of how their words and actions affect you. Finally, engage in activities that nourish your soul. Doing things you love helps release built-up stress and fills your mind with positivity. Whether it's spending time in nature, listening to uplifting music, practicing yoga, reading a good book, or pursuing a hobby, these activities act as a reset button for your mind. Nature, in particular, has a powerful grounding effect. Walking barefoot on grass, feeling the sun on your skin, or simply taking in fresh air can help release negative energy and restore inner peace. Detoxing your mind isn't a one-time process, it's a daily practice that leads to a calmer, more balanced life. By incorporating mindfulness, decluttering, gratitude, healthy boundaries, and soul-nourishing activities, you'll create a mental space filled with peace and positivity. Let go of what no longer serves you, and welcome a stress-free, joyful mindset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on stress-free living. Stay positive, and thanks for watching.